This
Us.
is this is John Langdon as well. So what do you see here?
Oh yeah, it's two words. You've taught us.
Plus a nice clouds in the background.
So the
Does
rest,
everybody see two words? Is there
Line?
any? I'm
well,
sorry.
the rest, I was looking at two words like, there's good and there's evil and stuff. This one I then came up with, I saw it was an oil painting. I was like, oh, this is actually you inside of me,
That's
as opposed
interesting.
to just two
You
words.
see what it's called though?
Us. Yeah.
Us.
So, but yeah, the rest where I was just looking for two words. This now I'm going, oh, that other one was evil inside of good, or so there's the references as well.
So
Just an
you
observation.
inside of me. I mean, how does that work?
Sorry, I think I'm having internet issues.
I give up, Shannon. How does it work?
Well, I don't know.
You and
I
me, right? Is that correct? You and me or no?
Yeah.
it's the two words that you can see are you and me, but the painting that John Langdon created is called Us. And then I think it was Lon, wasn't it, who said he saw you inside of me, as earlier he may have seen love inside of hate,
Mhm.
or evil, good inside of evil, evil inside of good. These are switching the way they're presented to us uh, in the images.
The way
So,
I see it,
yeah, I'm sorry, Laurie, go ahead. Was it
just
Laurie?
the way I see, yeah, it's Lori. So, I mean, kind of the way I see it is when we see something, this is what came to my mind. When we see something, a flaw in another person, we're really looking at flaws in ourselves. It's a reflection of what we see in ourselves.
Mm.
And another perspective is that we're all connected. We're all part of the same universe, and we're all interconnected. So there really is no separation between you and me. Our bodies are separate, but we're all part of the same system. That's how I read this.
Or maybe there are archetypal patterns here, so that each one of us can see from any of these perspectives and challenge. Whether any of you are familiar with the Johari diagram, and I don't have it in a set of slides. It's Johari, but it's a very interesting diagram as to, it's a four quadrant diagram. There are what and I think it's not on what we see, but what we know, what you and I both know, or perhaps it's what you and I both see, what you see and I don't see, or what you know and I don't know, what I know and you don't know, or what I see and you don't see. And then there's what neither one of us knows or sees. Really interesting to play with that one. Any other comments about this one?
What I see with this is that there's no you without me and no me without you.
Mm.
Other comments?